This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a public profile option on Snapchat. First, make sure your Snapchat account is set to public. This allows others to see your content and interact with you. You also need to be at least 18 years old to access this feature. Additionally, having at least one friend on the platform is a basic requirement before you can create a public profile. These steps ensure you meet the initial criteria for setting up your profile. Once you've met the eligibility requirements, open your Snapchat app. Tap on your Bitmoji icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Scroll down until you see the Public Profiles section. Here, you'll find the option to Create Public Profile. Tap this, then follow the simple on-screen prompts to confirm and finalize the setup of your new public profile. After creating your public profile, it's time to customize it. Add a clear profile photo and write an engaging bio that tells people about you or your content. This helps new viewers understand what to expect. You can also showcase your best public stories and highlights, making it easy for others to discover your content. Remember to manage your public profile settings to control who sees your content and how you interact with your audience. Having a public profile on Snapchat allows you to gain more followers and significantly expand your reach. You'll also get access to advanced analytics, providing valuable insights into your audience's engagement and preferences. This data can help you refine your content strategy. For more helpful tips and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the description below for a link and other great deals. Don't miss out on these resources to enhance your Snapchat experience and daily life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.